Done. This one. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. How y'all doing, besties? How y'all doing? Tell me how y'all doing. Welcome back, welcome back. You see me, I'm rocking the Christmas jumper or sweater. I don't know why I say jumper, not from London. And I'm looking cute today, I feel like. Today we're gonna get in the Christmas spirit. So today on the list, we are actually gonna go to Dollar Tree and Target. I'm only need a few things because I already have all my decorations I got from Shein. But yeah, let's definitely get in the Christmas spirit because I'm rocking it. Let's do it. Yeah. I'm gonna have so much fun on this vlog because yeah, let's do it.
You think they're gonna look nice by two?
I like the big ones, but this is what we got already. Peppermint. There's another one. I mean, this is kind of cute because Leon got one. How much is this?
$125.
This is really cute for my cookies. Look at you guys, look what I found. I got this one, or they have this one. I feel like I like this one. It's more simple. I think I'm gonna go with that.
$10. $20.
I already got that. I feel like y'all already saw a little bit what I got from Dollar Tree and Target, but I only have Target right here, so I'll show you what I got from Target. I got this bath bombs. It's only 2, but hopefully they're good. I got this whipped cream. It's like marshmallows. I feel like that would be so cute for the holidays. And then I got this coffee creamer. This one is peppermint mocha. I was going to get a Starbucks, but I was like, no. And then I got this candle. Y'all saw. It is really, really good. It was $10. All of this came up to like $20 something. Okay. I don't know if I could show you guys Dollar Tree stuff, but I guess, yeah. I got this. This is Dollar Tree stuff. I got this. I got like marshmallow. I got like craft stuff because I really wanted to do craft with everybody. So, got me candy canes. A little Santa. This is so cute. It's like literally in my shirt. I got more like decorations. And then these. I want to make like a hot cocoa bar. So, yeah. That's all I got from Dollar Tree and Target. That's Christmas stuff. But, yeah, if I find any more, I'll come back. So I was wrong. I have more. This is cute. I wanted to give it for my niece so she could put her picture in. And then just for like a game. It's for a game. From my room. Because I do have a Christmas tree and I don't have any lights. So I said to get that. And then this. I definitely want to make it with you guys. Oh, I have another thing too. I'm coming back. Okay, so the last thing that I got are these. Oh my goodness. For my mocha and for my cookies. Yeah, we're gonna have a good Christmas. Like, this is too stinking cute. I'm Dollar Tree. Go Dollar Tree. So, honestly, that is all. So, okay. I'll see y'all maybe like next week or so. Yeah.
Sometimes she'll get up earlier than me and she'll sit and read or whatever.
You don't want to put on your glasses. Look at my hair, y'all. This is so cute already. My mom is killing it, y'all.
The open floor plan between the kitchen and living room, and then that went out right to the deck, which was very nice.
It was so pretty out there, so shaded and lovely.
I like the landing up at the top.
Yeah.
You could turn it into a whole main suite.
So beautiful.
I really did like that.
Nice one to start with.
Absolutely.
But it did need some work.
A little bit of work, yeah.
You guys had requested something brand new. So Linton Lane was on the list, and what a beauty she was. And we found one in Oakfield View.
Yes.
Such a cute house.
Oh, that was just walking in that front door and the whole thing. She likes that one. Yes, I do. It was 2-bedroom. We'll accommodate that. The Murphy bed was perfect.
So living room too, but you could do a pull-out in the living room as well if you really need to.
Definitely.
All right, 3 Meg. This is not just your neighborhood Walgreens.
Seat storage system. No drilling mud flaps. Impact liner with shock absorbing brakes. And top it off with the Saddle. Find these American-made tips or get a gift card instantly at WT.com.
This is the last one.
Where are we starting this next chapter?
Well, we've made this very difficult for us. We decided on Oakfield View.
Trying to get y'all the angles, y'all.
Definitely felt like a community.
Sorry, I'm almost done. Yeah, I'm not finished, but look. Now I got the curly hair to do. But this is just the braiding part. I think it looks so cute. I dipped it in hot water. So, period. It looks very simple. See y'all when it's all done. Okay, when it's all done. My new hair is so cute. Hey y'all, I'm looking a hot mess, but I don't know where I left off of getting into the Christmas spirit. So today is skincare and decorate my room and kind of ending off this vlog. But I want to show you guys some stuff that I got yesterday and I also ordered. So yeah. Okay, look at these shoes. Look at these slippers. And they're literally, I forgot what I got it from. Y'all, I'm so mad, but these are so cute. So cute for Christmas. But I don't know which PJs I should wear, this one or this one. I don't know, they're just too cute. They both kind of match, but I'm actually gonna go and do my skin because it's not looking so great. So let's do that. I'm a little crazy, but this is the hairstyle. I'm trying to fix it up a little bit. And by the way, I got this from Shein. Y'all, this is too cute. I love this outfit. Just want to show y'all my hair. It's just cute. So I'm gonna do my maintenance. It's gonna be very quick and easy because I don't got time to do all that crazy stuff. But first, let's go in with this. If y'all can tell, my eyebrows look like nothing. So it look a mess. I did this for one of my fall videos. I didn't put it out because it didn't look good. So let's just do it. Now I'm gonna wipe off my brows. I'm gonna tell y'all this stuff. You're gonna see it again. I'm gonna show y'all again and again. So good, so good. And let me just talk about how my mom just killed my hair too. Like, she is too good. Let's wipe off these brows. Y'all saw how my brow looked? Now look at it. Tell me just don't look full. Like, period. Now I'm gonna shape my eyebrows because they look a little crazy. And look, it's pink. Ava looks a lot better. Ooh, she's looking cute. Period. Now I'm gonna put on this. Live by it. So good. Again, most of these things are from Shein, so this is so good. So good. Let's give me your Santa. Ho, 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 ho. And then the top part. Show y'all when I come back. Ew. Okay, so I already took off the mask. I waited like a couple of minutes. They say you can sleep with it, but I don't want to. So, look at my face. Oh my goodness, this is so nice. And my pimple patches have been on the whole entire time. That's crazy. My face has been looking real rough. Yeah. The last couple of things are this. Really good after I come off the shower. This is my sister, so sorry sis. But this has been really helping my skin a lot. My pimple patch might come off now. So we're just gonna wait and then take this off and then put on the last thing. This is helping with my color. So yeah, this is what it is called. Turmeric helps with your color, to correct your color. So come back. And now just wait. Now I'm gonna wipe it off. Sorry for the weird angle. I'm trying to do this. Let's come back when everything's finished. And this is the final result. I look so good. I feel so pretty. Like, with my Christmas outfit. Like, I'm just feeling myself. Feeling myself. I'm feeling myself. So now I'm gonna go and decorate my room for the Christmas spirit. And let's do it. Let's go and decorate. I'm so excited. Let's do it. This is all my decorations, y'all. Let's start decorating. Y'all, so I'm actually done. Look at it, look at it, look at it, look at it. Look at my Christmas tree. I'm done with my decorations. I wanted to do a little bit more, but I was like, you know, let's just go simple with it and be done. So yeah, I'm gonna see y'all on Monday to finish out this video. Done. It wasn't perfect, but it's gonna work for now. They're so cute and kind of Christmassy. Hey y'all, so I got my coffee, a 10 out of 10. I wanted to speak what I was using, but y'all see everything. So this is definitely a 10 out of 10. So good. Actually, right now I'm gonna go and watch something and just call it a night. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hope you watch all the way to the end. I hope you enjoyed, and yeah, comment, like, and subscribe. And yeah, let's just get into our bed and get cozy. Let's do it.